percent of change, we'll be comparing an old and new price and determining what percent of change occurred. And to keep it very simple, we're going to use the mantra new minus old divided by old. New minus old divided by old. Since the beginning of school, the number of students in class has gone from 25 to 21, so the number has decreased. We started with 25. That we'll call our old amount, the old number of students. And we decreased to 21, which is the new number of students in our class. So to calculate the percent of change, which has already been calculated for us as a decrease of 16%, we're going to simply use our calculator. And we're going to remember new minus old divided by old. So the new number of students in class is 21. Minus the old number of students in class is 25. We're going to hit equals and then divided by. And now we're going to divide by the old number, or what we started with, which was 25 students. And that will give us our percent of change. You own a baseball card that has gone up in value from $4 to $10. What is the percent of change? Well, the old amount, or the starting amount, was $4, and now it's worth $10. It's increased. So what percent of change? We're going to take the new minus the old divided by the old using our calculator. The new amount of $10 minus the old amount of $4 equals divided by the old amount of $4. So 1.5. So to change that to percent, we move the decimal 2 spots. And the percent of change is the price of that baseball card has increased 150%. The water level at Lake Anna was 460 feet on June the 1st and 410 feet on July the 1st. What was the percent of change to the nearest whole percent? Well, the original water level was 460 feet. And then the water level fell to a new height of 410 feet. So the water level decreased. So in order to calculate the percent of change, we're going to take the new minus the old divided by the old using our calculator. So the new water level is 410 minus the old water level of 460 equals divided by, and what did we start with? 460. So the water level, the percent of change to the nearest whole percent, would be a negative 11%. So we're going to look at the find the percent change from 2000 to 2014, and we'll work the Disneyland ticket and the Apple iMac together. So the Disneyland ticket went from $41 to $72. So to calculate the new minus the old divided by the old, I'm going to use my calculator, and the new price is 72 minus the old price of 41 equals divided by the old. And for the Apple iMac, we'll do the same thing. We'll take the new price of $999 minus the old price of $1,499. We'll hit the equal sign, divided by, and then the old price of $1,499. And that results in a decrease in price of approximately 33.36%.